In 1908, something exploded over Siberia with a force 1,000 times greater than the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima. It flattened 80 million trees, and yet left no crater. What really happened at Tunguska? It was the morning of June 30th, 1908. In the remote wilderness near the Tunguska River in Siberia, people saw a blinding light streaking across the sky. A few moments later, a massive explosion shook the Earth. The blast released energy equivalent to 10 to 15 megatons of TNT. It knocked people off their feet 60 kilometers away. The shockwave flattened over 2,000 square kilometers of forest. That's larger than the city of London. Yet, there was no crater. Nearly 20 years passed before any scientist investigated. In 1927, Russian scientist Leonid Kulik led an expedition to the site. What he found was shocking. Trees were lying in a radial pattern, all pointing away from a central point, like they'd been pushed outward by an invisible force. But there was no meteorite, no fragments, no crater, just destruction. Most scientists believe the explosion was caused by a space rock, either a meteoroid or comet, about 50 to 60 meters wide. It likely exploded in the atmosphere just before impact, creating an airburst. Others have wilder ideas. Some blame a miniature black hole. Others suggest antimatter, or even Nikola Tesla testing a secret weapon. And of course, aliens. In the 2000s, scientists used computer models to simulate the event. The results? A high-speed object entering Earth's atmosphere, exploding at about 5 to 10 kilometers above ground, could cause the damage seen. One theory suggested Lake Checo, located nearby, might be an impact crater. But that's still debated. No solid physical fragments have ever been found. The Tunguska Event remains the largest impact event in recorded history. It's inspired countless stories, video games, movies, and conspiracy theories. It also reminds us Earth is vulnerable to cosmic threats. Had this event happened over a city, it would have been catastrophic. Even over a century later, the mystery continues. Was it a meteor, a comet, or something even stranger? If you enjoyed uncovering this mystery, hit subscribe and follow along for more incredible stories from our fascinating world. Until next time, stay curious.